Hello, today we will guide you through how to log in your HFM account on MT5. To get started, open the My HF page in your browser. This is where you'll access your HFM account details before connecting everything inside the MT5 platform. Once the page loads, look for your MT5 demo account settings and click into that section. This area contains the connection details you'll need, so take a moment to make sure you're opening the correct account. Next, find the server information and copy it. The server name is important because MT5 uses it to locate the right trading environment for your account. Be careful to copy it exactly as shown, with no extra spaces, so the platform can recognize it without any issues. Now open the MT5 app on your computer. When the platform is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. From the menu that appears, select Open an Account. This will bring up the account connection window where you can manually search for and add your HFM server. In the search field, paste the server you copied earlier, then press Enter. Give MT5 a moment to search and display the matching server. Once it appears, click on the platform or server result shown on the screen to highlight it. After that, click Next to continue. On the next screen, choose the option to log into an existing account. This is the correct option because you already have an HFM MT5 account and just need to connect it to the platform. Now return to your HFM account page and locate your account ID and password. Copy both carefully. For security, always keep these details private and avoid sharing them or leaving them visible on screen longer than necessary. If you're following this process while recording or presenting, make sure any sensitive account information is hidden before continuing. Go back to MT5 and paste the login ID and password into the appropriate fields. Double check that the details are entered in the correct boxes, then click Login. If everything was entered correctly, MT5 will connect to your HFM account and load your trading environment. If it doesn't connect right away, the most common causes are an incorrect server name, a mistyped password, or selecting the wrong account type. Reviewing those details usually solves the issue quickly. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your HFM account on MT5.